over there, you climb that fence into the Goliath, you're getting banned for life for the same thing. Y'all went past the fence.
Straight. So I'm getting banned lifetime because the CEO of Six Flags stopped us. We talked to him.
And he said everything was okay.
Are we sure?
So let me put it this way. I wasn't here for that conversation, so I can't tell you.
But I do have it on camera. I have it on camera. So
what we do have too is that the CEO called us and told us to tell you to leave.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we bring you a video from a channel called Georgia River Boys. He was out there with the channel called Depths of History, who I've shared his channel before. And real quick before you guys watch this video, I'm going to be hanging out with these two guys tomorrow, Depths of History and Georgia River Boys. They're coming out to California to record with me. I'm also going to be starting another channel called San Joaquin Outdoors, where I'll be out there fishing some guns and stuff out of waters with heavy magnets. So you guys stay tuned for that. In this video right here, these guys are pulling stuff out of the waters at Six Flags and they get banned for life. Check out the attitude on this officer. He seems to be extremely happy about banning someone. You guys gotta watch till the end of the video to see the update. Alright guys, check out this video. Go subscribe to Georgia River Boys. Let them know I sent you. Here we go, folks.
So today we went to Six Flags. We actually went into the parking lot, paid our admission, went to the very back, parked, and we decided we were going to enter the river through Six Flags. Well, once we got there, we ran into a couple people. They said we could actually run down there. We ran down there. Well, that wasn't the case. We got yanked out of there by the police, by security, by a bunch of different people, and said we were trespassing. It's true, we are banned for life from Six Flags and Whitewater all across America. Gavin, me, and Britton.
Are you
I ran. Well, let me explain. He came and said, rush, 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 rush. So I just dropped my tank on the side to let y'all know we're out of the water. And because he said we couldn't dive, so I was going to go back and tell my buddy.
Not only can you not dive, but you're receiving a lifetime ban from all Six Flags properties. Okay. Because you had to climb through a fence to get where you're going. That area is cordoned off for a reason. There was a gas spill there several years ago, and it's still listed as an EPA danger zone. Okay. So since you were trespassing,
yeah, we went straight down, but that's the way I came back.
Again.
Okay, that's
y'all
fine.
Told you no originally, the actual park CEO, and y'all decided to take it on yourself and do it on your own.
Whoa, check out the ego on this maniac. No, 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 you've been told. You jumped the fence. This guy's acting like he was there. He wasn't even there, folks. This is what I'm talking about. Sometimes they take their job a little too serious and act aggressive towards just the common folks. Well, no wonder people hate police. I'm not saying that I do. I'm just saying.
You are receiving your life.
He didn't tell us no, but I'm with you on that. He did not tell us no. He said he was going to come talk to you guys.
Yeah.
I was like,
about
but
y'all
do we...
trespassing on his property,
yeah.
Because that's not authorized use for here. There is
and we asked him, do we need to wait here before we get in the water? He said no. Be safe. And I got it on video too.
Okay.
So
I gather that, but you come from the fact that top ends don't normally like to get involved in no decisions.
Oh, that's why I asked him. I didn't know.
Mr. Mark is second or third in charge of security out here, and you trespass. He's issuing you a lifetime CT warning, which means you cannot return to Six Flags properties for any purpose whatsoever.
Yeah, I got that. I got that. He's okay with that too. We don't come here. We're just cleaning out the river.
Yeah, lifetime ban from here, Six Flags, Whitewater, and any other Six Flags in the country.
For cleaning up trash in the river.
Going behind a fence, that's secured area.
But let's just make it clear. We did not tell that guy to not tell me no.
Okay, irregardless.
Wait a minute. Did he just say irregardless? That's not even a word.
Okay, irregardless.
Okay, well, you just said that to me.
On the other side of the fence.
When I was told I was allowed to by the CEO of this company, yes.
He did not tell you
and y'all are going to ban me for life? He said I could go down here. We asked him. I asked him, do you want us to wait here? He said no. Okay, and I have no problem with that, but a ban for life? Okay, let me get my stuff and let me get my buddy. A ban for life.
You obviously not so much, because you are the responsible one of the bunch. This one's a gray area. What do you call it? It's your party.
Well, I have to issue the lifetime CT.
Okay.
I can give you the corporate number to see if you guys can.
Really? Are you serious?
Try to get that reversed.
So let me just get it straight. So I'm getting banned lifetime because the CEO of Six Flags stopped us. We talked to him.
And he said everything was okay.
Are we sure?
So let
That's
me
just
put it this way.
confusing, man.
I wasn't here for that conversation, so I can't tell you.
But I
if this
do
is
have it
what
on
he said.
camera. I have it on camera. So
That's
What
what
we
you
do
said,
have
but I
too
don't-
is
I
that
don't
the
see
CEO called us and told us to tell you to leave.
why? But see, I
But to leave is
respect
fine. To
him.
leave
If
is
he,
Because you have to understand
why
this.
would he just tell us, guys, you can't do this?
I just explained to him. People that are top end, they like to be liked.
But he
They don't
could
like
he
being
could have
nice.
said, hang out for a minute. I'm going to go tell the police
Yeah,
officer.
he did, because I asked him.
He
and I
said,
asked
y'all
him-
feel
That's the
free to
thing.
go.
He didn't even come tell me.
But
Yeah, because
I
he
asked
called
him-
somebody else.
I saw you
Yeah.
parked in.
I
He
asked
called
him
somebody
too.
else who called them, who called me.
I asked him too. I said, do we need to talk to a police officer or
But you
anything
got to
before
come
we get in
from
the water?
from their liability standpoint. He wasn't sure.
Yeah.
But just like they got sued for millions of dollars for somebody getting beat at the bus stop in front of their business, not even on their property at all, on county
Yeah.
property.
I know, and I'm respecting what you said
yeah,
about this, but we went straight down this dead
I
cliff
understand
and
that,
then
but
walked
you
in.
accessed it from his property.
That
That's
we
where the
paid
liability
park
comes
here.
from.
Can we get a return on the parking fee then?
Yeah, if I'm
You
getting,
can try to contact corporate.
if I'm
You have
getting,
to go to corporate. We can't give you the refund here. They don't do any refunds. They don't handle the refunds.
all right,
But
well,
that's the
I'll
same-
take
but-
I'll take the lifetime, whatever, but
But the
I
same
promise
same
you, I
point
got a
comes
lot of
from
friends, so
you might have paid
from
to get
Fox
here.
Five
But
too.
over there, you climb that fence into the Goliath, you get banned for life for the same thing. Y'all went past the fence.
Why does the officer keep saying that? You went past the fence. These guys didn't jump the fence. There was an open area where they just walked right through. And he's basically just going off what the president of Six Flags said. There could have been some miscommunication there, but like I said, this officer is pretty aggressive.
We really did. We went into the river.
Well, I understand that, but he knew exactly where to come find you and ran down the side.
Because
and
we were
inside.
underneath
That's
the
the
bridge.
easiest accessible
I
place.
get that.
But we did not go to the fence.
I should get
And-
banned.
And see, that's why I got a little upset with you earlier, because you're like, you went in there after you're told, this is my son. I'm not going to watch my son let a CEO, he told us he's the president. And then when he leaves, okay, guys, let's sneak down here. I wouldn't do that in front of my 13-year-old. He told us, go ahead, guys, be safe. And I'm going to let the cops know that you're here. And if they got a problem, we'll swing by. We said, okay.
That's it. I
And
don't
now we're
have a problem,
banned for
but it's
life
private
from the,
property.
I mean,
That's
Again, hey, understand, I'm not banning you. Just so we're on the
so
same
this
page.
guy is. But that's cool. If y'all want to do
Actually,
it.
his boss is.
Hey, if y'all want to do it, go for it.
But
I mean,
all I do
think-
is enforce and document. I'm not banning.
I think we should really get that guy who originally came out here to talk to you guys too, because I think there's some miscommunication.
I think he
Again,
should.
he's the one who called us over here.
Well, he should come out. I mean,
It tells us it's okay for us to go back there. It tells us everything's
Yes.
fine, and then I literally get up it didn't even get in the water for like 5 minutes,
Oh, I
and then
know.
he's telling me that the whole police force is out here, and I'm like, I'm just confused, you know? It doesn't make any sense when he
now we're
tells us
banned.
The whole police
he
force?
tells us it's okay.
well, when I first came up, there was like a bunch of cars and
Only 2 police cars.
yeah, but there
The
was
rest
two.
is all security. That's
There's
it.
two of these cars. But anyway, it was just a lot. But that's okay. Like I said, I think
So I know it's hot out here. But make a long story short, okay. They can do what they can do. The one thing I can tell you, and correct me if I'm wrong with your process, but they make the decision here, and then we do a report, they do a report, and all that good stuff. And then in a couple days, you can contact their corporate. You can file a claim to do some type of reversal,
Okay.
and then through that, you can fight the process.
And is that like on the phone? You just call them?
Yeah,
my police
call-
report
They will
will
contact
include.
us. They will
But
contact
it's a
our-
process.
My
At
police
this
report
point,
will
we can't
include
do anything here. The
that
man
y'all
in
did
charge
speak with
made
Dale
the
beforehand,
decision.
because that was relayed to me as well, that y'all did speak with him, that he wasn't real sure what was going on.
Is that his name, Dale?
Yeah, Dale, I can't remember the rest of it.
Yeah,
Would you mind giving me all y'all's names and badge numbers?
Um,
Is that
It'll be on the police report.
Okay.
Okay, you mind giving me your name?
Can we get your name
Can
and
we get
badge
your name and
number?
badge number? I mean, it's policy.
Can I get your name?
Why do you need mine?
Because you're being issued a criminal trespass,
You
not to
can
return to
get
the
my name.
property.
Yeah, my name's Britton Lockhart.
My name's
Okay.
John Cano.
I know who you are.
My name's Britton Lockhart.
Britton Longhart. What's your birthday?
Lockhart.
Okay. I'm Officer Henderson, CS, badge number 1546. Again, I am not issuing the criminal trespass. I am documenting the criminal trespass issued by these gentlemen.
Absolutely, sir.
I understand. And your name and badge number, sir?
That doesn't work for the police department, so probably don't have a badge number.
Security call number. I mean, I know you've got a badge number right there.
Investigate. You can take. I see you recording. You come take a picture.
Yeah, they're all Six Flags security. Me and him are.
So, like I said, both you two, per his request, are receiving lifetime bans on the property. I did talk to him. We're not going to ban your son because he's just along for the ride. That way he can still come back with family members or friends if he wants to this one or Whitewater. That's your call if you want to let him or not. That's up to you, but I'm not. Understand, though,
I won't come to this one.
you're not allowed to go to any Six Flags in the country.
Oh, that's fine. They won't,
I'm clear.
I don't have to hold my name up.
Never even been to one anyway, so
Yeah,
guess I missed out on that.
All right, cool. So y'all want to, is that it?
What happened with Six Flags is
we actually ran into some people that said we could go down. We went down, we did our thing. We didn't get the proper permission. I'm not saying we're not at fault 100% because we definitely were a little bit guilty as well. But things got blown way out of proportion. The information from the cops to the people up front to getting us kicked out, it was all mixed up. It was a big misunderstanding. So Six Flags reached out to us. Two lovely ladies actually reached out to us. They were really nice. They filled us in on everything, and they actually gave us a free day at the park with lunch. That's amazing, isn't it? So we're definitely gonna take advantage of that. But I just want them to know, thank you so much. Y'all were awesome the way you handled it. But the beginning was very scary. I didn't know if I was going to jail, but I was banned for life from Six Flags. So that did scare me, but they did take the ban away. Thanks a lot, Six Flags. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on our next adventure.
Hey, what do you guys know? This video had a good ending. I know you guys appreciate videos with good endings. I had to throw that update in there for you guys. I didn't want you guys to leave angry or start calling Six Flags and chewing them out. I know how you guys are sometimes. You guys are the court of public opinion. In the morning, I'm going to be picking up Georgia River Boys and Depths of History from LAX. We're going to be hanging out with each other for a few days. You guys definitely go subscribe to these guys. I'll drop the links in the description and in the pinned comment. YouTubers networking and connecting with each other, folks. This is amazing. You guys do not want to miss. Make sure you hit my subscribe button and hit the bell as well so you guys don't miss these next videos. All right, guys. I will see you guys over in the comment section of Georgia River Boys. Have yourselves a blessed day. Peace.